Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be showing you the differences and similarities between Cowrywise and Piggyvest. Now some weeks ago I made a video on how you can save, invest and make money on Piggyvest, and I also did that for Cowrywise. So if you want to watch the video, you can go to my YouTube channel. I'll drop the link in the comment section and watch those videos. So I was receiving some comments saying that, okay, which one is better to use, which one has more saving interest and all of those questions. So I decided to make a separate video telling you guys the differences and similarities between Cowrywise and Piggyvest. If you're new to my YouTube channel, my name is Femi Olaniyan and I make content on personal finance, savings, investments and how to make money online. So if you love money conversations and you really want to make money, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. So in this video guys, I'll be comparing Cowrywise and Piggyvest based on savings, interest rates, investment, making money and withdrawals on those 5 bases. So guys, I'm going to start with savings and how you can save on Piggyvest and Cowrywise and which one is better. So we are going to start with Cowrywise. Now as you can see on my screen, there are different options for you to save money on Cowrywise. You have regular savings, savings circle, allow savings and life goals. Let me start with regular savings. As you can see, save money on your terms for a minimum of 3 months will reward your discipline with juicy returns. This means that you can save money for maybe monthly, weekly or daily, and the minimum you can save for is 3 months. And you can also automate your savings. If you automate your savings, it means that Cowrywise can take money from your bank account and put it in your Cowrywise account weekly, monthly or daily, and the minimum is 3 months. And you also get interest on your savings. The next one is savings circle. Save together, plan group experiences and donations for causes that matter. Juicy returns await you. This is like when you create a group of people to come together and save money and you guys still get interest on your savings. If you create the group now, you're going to get a link and you share the link with your friends and family and they join the group if they're interested, and you guys can save together for maybe 1 year, 6 months, 2 years and anyhow you're comfortable with it. Now the next one is allow savings. Do you want to save for the long term with no interest? This is for you. Now, this is kind of saving, like for those people that don't want interest on their savings. So if you just want to save, you don't want interest on your savings, you can use allow savings. Now, the next one is life goals. Long-term savings for life's important goals. Minimum period of 1 year with amazing returns. Now, this is for maybe you want to save for 1 year, 2 years, 3 years. For example, maybe you want to start a business next year. I want to start saving now. You can use the life goals savings plan. Now, if you start your saving now, it means that you can't collect your money until after 1 year. So that's the life goal saving plan. Now, let's go to Piggyvest. Now, on Piggyvest, for you to save on Piggyvest, as you can see, you have 5 different options to save on Piggyvest. You have Piggy Bank, Flex Naira, Safe Lock, Target, and Flex Dollar. Now, for Piggy Bank, it means you can streak savings automatically, daily, weekly, or monthly, and you get 8% per annum. This way you can save weekly, monthly, daily, and you can also automate your savings too. The next one is Flex Naira. Flexible savings for emergencies, free transfers, withdrawals, and you still get 8% per annum. Now, this is for those people who want to save for emergencies. This one you can withdraw your money anytime and you don't have to pay any withdrawal fee. The next one is Safe Lock. Lock funds to avoid temptations, upfront interest, and you get up to 13% per annum. Now, this is for those people that just want to safe lock a high amount of money. Let's say like 1 million naira, 10 million naira. You want to save it for like 1 year, you will get up to 13% interest per annum. The next one is Target. You reach your unique individual saving goals and you get 8% per annum. Now, this is it. You can create like something like a group for you and your friends where you guys will come together and save for a particular target, and it can also be for only you, maybe for your personal target, and you still get 8% per annum. The next one is Flex Dollar. This is where you can save and grow your money in dollars. No, Naira is depreciating, so you don't want to save your money in Naira. If you want to save your money in dollars, then you can do that on Piggyvest. So these are different ways you can save money on Cowrywise and Piggyvest. So the next one is the interest rate. Let's check out the interest rate on Cowrywise first. Now, let's say for example, I want to do the regular savings on Cowrywise. So I'm going to click on that. Plan name. What are you saving for? Okay, let me just put I want to save for my car. So done. Continue. Then how much would you like to start with? Let's say 5,000 naira monthly. 5,000 naira monthly. Continue. For how long? Let's say 1 year, so that we can know the interest rate for 1 year. Let's pick 1 year. Don't forget you're on Cowrywise. For 1 year, as you can see, interest rate 3% per annum, and your maturity date, which means if I start saving now, I'm going to get my money by March 5, 2022, and the estimated amount I'm going to get if I'm saving 5,000 naira monthly is 60,971 naira. So this is the interest rate you are going to get for 1 year if you do the regular savings on Cowrywise. Now let's check on Piggyvest. Now on Piggyvest, if you do the regular savings, which is called Piggy Bank, you're going to get 8% per annum. As you can see, it's written on it. It's constant. You're going to get 8% per annum. So you can see that the interest rate on Piggyvest is higher than the one on Cowrywise. Cowrywise will give you 3% per annum, while Piggyvest will give you 8% per annum. Now the next one is the investment. Let's check out the investment on Cowrywise. Now if you want to invest on Cowrywise, you can see invest in mutual funds. Now let's click on invest in mutual funds. Now you can see choose a fund type. There are two ways you can invest in the mutual fund. You can choose Naira mutual funds and dollar mutual funds. Let's click on Naira mutual funds. Now if you click on Naira mutual funds, you're going to see different types of investment, different types of mutual funds that you can invest in. Conservative ones, moderate ones, and aggressive ones. Now you can see we have 2.99% annual returns for this one, 3.26 annual return, 2.15, 1.24. Let's check on that. We have 1.61 minus 5.54. I think this is how this is the investment. This is the return on investment for the past 1 year. This one has made loss. So let's check down here. 0.24, 2.23, and all of that. So you can see like the average is like between 2 to 3% annual returns on Cowrywise. Now let's check for Piggyvest. Now if you go on Piggyvest, you're going to invest, click on invest and explore. So once you click on explore, you're going to see the different investments on Piggyvest. Now as you can see, we have, let's see the first one, cassava farm investment. You get 36% returns in 18 months. Now, like how much are you going to get for 12 months? That should be like 36 times 12 months divided by 18 months. I hope I'm correct. And you're going to get 36 times 12 divided by 18. That should be 24. So you're going to get 24% returns in 1 year if you invest in the cassava farm investment. So you can see that's quite high compared to Cowrywise. So the interest you get on your investment on Piggyvest is quite high compared to when you invest in mutual funds in Cowrywise. Now the next one is how can you make money on these apps? Let's check on Cowrywise first. Now how can you make money? The first thing is to go to your account. Go to your profile. You can see you have referral program. I hope you can see it on the screen. The referral program. Once you click on referral program, you can see get free 250 naira for free. You and your friends earn cash reward when they sign up and save with your referral link or code. Now as you can see under this is my referral link, OLUWAWJA. So you can either copy the referral code or you share with them your referral link. And once you sign up with your referral link, you're going to get 250 naira for free. Now you can also decide to sign up to be a campus ambassador or to be a corporate ambassador for Cowrywise. Now if you're a campus ambassador, you're going to get 350 naira for everyone you refer. And if you're a corporate ambassador, you're going to get 500 naira for everyone you refer. Now how can you make money on Piggyvest? Now to make money on Piggyvest, go to your account. Then you're going to see referral earnings. And once you click on referral earnings, it shows you how much you'll be making for everyone you'll be referring. Now, if you have not referred anyone, just check your referral link. As you can see, this is mine. Just click on copy. And once you click on copy, you can send to your friends and they sign up. And once they sign up with your referral link on Piggyvest, you're going to get 1,000 naira for everyone you refer. And the person you are referring to will also get 1,000 naira. You can see on the screen, so far I've referred 7 people. That's 7,000 naira. And also there's another way you can make money on Piggyvest, which is called Piggy Points. You can see here Piggy Points. I have 7 Piggy Points. Now Piggy Points, they give you Piggy Points when you save more on Piggyvest. Just like to want to make you want to save more on Piggyvest. Now 1 Piggy Point is equal to 10 naira on Piggyvest. So let's say you have like 100 Piggy Points, that's like 1,000 naira. If you have 1,000 Piggy Points, that's 10,000 naira for free. So those are the ways you can make money on Cowrywise and Piggyvest. Now let's talk about the withdrawal. Now if you want to withdraw on Cowrywise, now it's simple. Make sure that when you are signing up, you must have added your bank account details, maybe your bank name, bank account number, and then your account name. Now once you want to withdraw, maybe after 3 months that you want to withdraw your money, all you have to do is to just request for your withdrawal, and then your money will be sent to your bank account immediately in less than 5 minutes. It's not that you have to wait for 24 hours or 1 day or maybe some working days. No, on Cowrywise, your money will be sent immediately to your bank account. Now for Piggyvest, if you want to withdraw on Piggyvest, it's kind of similar too. All you have to do is just make sure your account number, your account details is on your account on Piggyvest. And once you want to withdraw your money, all you have to do is just request for your withdrawal, and your money will be sent to your bank account immediately in less than 5 minutes. You don't have to also wait for maybe 24 hours or some working days like some apps used to do. All you have to do is just make your withdrawal request and your money will be sent to your account immediately. So these are the differences and similarities between Cowrywise and Piggyvest, and I hope you've learned one thing or the other from this video. So if you are looking for which one to save and invest your money with, so I'm very sure you should be able to decide for yourself. Now, I'm not here to decide for you. I'm only here to tell you the differences and similarities between these two apps. And also, if you want to learn how to use these two apps, I made different videos on how you can use Piggyvest and Cowrywise. I'll put the link in the description or at the end of this video. Thank you for watching my video, and I hope I see you in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. I love you guys.